The Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, a major opposition party, finds itself at the center of a critical political and humanitarian crisis. On a seemingly quiet Sunday, the 16th of June 2024, the interim leader of the CCC, Jameson Timber, along with 70 activists, gathered at his residence in Harare. What was intended to be a peaceful political meeting turned into a scene of chaos and repression. The Zimbabwe Republic Police, claiming the gathering was unauthorized, arrested these individuals amid allegations of violence and resistance. But the story digs deeper. Amnesty International stepped forward, shedding light on the severity of the situation. They reported that not only were these 77 individuals detained, but there were disturbing claims that some were subjected to torture while in custody. This isn't just about illegal gatherings or disorderly conduct. It's about fundamental human rights. The right to peaceful assembly, the right to express political views without fear of retribution or physical harm. Imagine being detained for simply participating in a political meeting, then facing the unimaginable while locked away. Authorities must promptly, thoroughly, impartially, independently, transparently and effectively investigate these allegations, stated Kana from Amnesty International. She called for immediate and unconditional release of the detained, a thorough investigation into the torture allegations, and urgent medical care for those affected. The CCC activists, now in court, argue that their gathering was lawful and their arrest politically motivated, a tactic to stifle dissent. They insist they complied with all legal requirements, making their detention not only unwarranted, but a violation of their constitutional rights. Their fight for freedom is not just their fight. It stands as a symbol of the larger struggle for democratic rights and political expression in Zimbabwe. This is more than a local issue. It's a global reminder of the importance of vigilance and advocacy in protecting human rights everywhere. As we watch this situation unfold, let's remind ourselves of the power of standing together, of raising our voices against injustice and supporting those who dare to speak out. For those detained, for those fighting, for those standing up against oppression in Zimbabwe and around the world, your courage inspires us all. Let's keep the conversation going, let's keep the pressure on, and let's not rest until justice is served. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, every story of resistance, every call for justice is a step towards a better world. Stay informed, stay engaged, and most importantly, never stop advocating for what's right.